Hello, pretty pixel people. It is Space once again. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get your head into Photoshop. You probably have like another head, or you're just using the Second Life head, and you probably are trying to click it and nothing's happening, and you're confused, and you wanna get into Photoshop to make your skin or hair base or whatever. So first thing you're gonna do is press Control Tab to go into object mode, and then click on the head, and then export, and then choose the format. I don't even know if Photoshop can read day format, to be honest. I think it can. I'm not sure, but just make sure you have this selected, the selection only when you export it to wherever. And yeah, so once you have that uh, exported, you can just uh, drag it into Photoshop, and it'll open, and it'll open. There we go. And now you have this weird ass looking creature in Photoshop. I mean, the basic SL head in Photoshop. Sorry if my mic's picking up hella wind. It's hot in here, or it was hot. Um, so let's just say you have a Photoshop head, or like a Photoshop file with a head in it, and you want to put it into Blender. You just do the same thing backwards. Basically, you just go to import, and then you select whatever format it's in. It's probably in OBJ or day, and then you have the head in Blender, and yeah, that's it.